Welcome to yet another unboxing video here on the Watch Kaki channel, and for today's unboxing video we have another West End watch here. You have guessed correctly, this is a loan set from Our Boutique. I really gotta thank Eric and his team at the Our Boutique for so generously loaning me all these watches for my videos. Let's just flip open the box here and see what we've got inside. I guess this is a very standard Swiss watch kind of packaging. You've got the outer cardboard box and then the inner flip up box with some kind of synthetic leather finishing. Alright, let me just put these things aside first. And then I'm gonna flip open the top here, the lid. Let's see what we've got. Ta-da! So this was the hot selling Tiffany model that Eric has just received from his supplier. As you can see, it is one of those classic series watch. I've reviewed a couple of those watches in my channel already, but this one here, the main selling point is this Tiffany blue dial here. And as we all know, all watch fans out there, we know that Tiffany blue is the in thing now. Alright, so you can sell anything which is on Tiffany blue color. You can sell a Tiffany blue watch strap. You can sell a Tiffany blue hang tag. If your packaging is Tiffany blue, you will sell like 5,000 watches in a month. So watch brands out there, if you want to sell your watches, please make a Tiffany blue dial version, Tiffany anything version. They will sell like crazy. So of course this watch here is heavily inspired by the Rolex OP36, OP41. Right, this Tiffany blue version of the Rolex Oyster Perpetual launched in 2020, but discontinued sometime earlier this year, I think. So that watch is sort of a mythical watch. You have to be a celebrity in order to buy that watch, alright? So if you don't look like David Beckham, if you don't look like, I don't know, LeBron James and all that, you don't have that kind of superstar status, you can forget about owning that watch. By the way, the watch is now discontinued, so you really have to pay about 40,000 Singapore dollars to buy a watch that is made of stainless steel. So with all the packaging out of the way, let's take a closer look at the classic series from West End Watch Company. So this one here, heavily inspired by the day date, Rolex day date. Official name for this watch is Classic Series. So according to West End Watch Company, anything that is classic must have day and date complications. Alright, let's do a quick check on the handset or hand alignment. Alright, let's quickly go to 9 o'clock. Really good hand alignment there. 10 o'clock. No issues at all. Okay, so I always check for handset alignment for new watches because it really irks me to have watches or watch hands that are misaligned. Okay, so everything looks good here on this watch. It is a non-screw-in crown. You've got that fluted bezel look here. And you've also got the president style bracelet. So everything is like very classic looking, as the model name suggests, classic series. One thing that is very different from the usual Rolex stuff is that West End Watch, they have display backs for their watches. Alright, nothing fanciful here, no pelage, no engravings and all that, but some people would prefer to have display backs on their mechanical watches. And this one here, the size is very good. It comes in at about 37 or 37.5 millimeters K size. So for the ladies out there, if you're looking for the Tiffany blue watch, but you can't quite lay your hands on one because you're not a celebrity, fear not, you can always get the Swiss-made equivalent for a lot less money. I think this one here sells for about 700 plus Singapore dollars, and the Tiffany blue here, I have no confirmation on how close it is to the Rolex OP36, OP41, but I think it looks, you know, pretty close. It's got a really sweet hue of blue here. Alright, I think a lot of watch fans are gonna like this one here. Eric has told me that this one here sells like crazy after he has just arrived for about 2 months at his store. So it's also got the usual bendy, jangly bracelet here with lots of tolerance or give. As you can see, this thing here flexes so easily and it's also got a stem clasp Alright, so I guess again this is a faithful rebuild of all the 80s, 90s Rolex models with a 5-digit model reference. Alright, so let's squeeze in a really quick wrist shot here. So this watch here, as mentioned, is about 37 millimeters K size. Fits me really well. Alright, so 38, 37, 38, I think even 40. You know, these watches, they look very good on my smallish wrist. Alright, so I'm very sure this one here, the ladies, they will also enjoy something of this size. Stay tuned for the full length review of the West End watch Sova Classic series. I'll see you soon. This is Watch Kaki. Bye bye.